This is my first time receiving the Fabulous Planner subscription box, so I want to do an unboxing and let you guys know what I think. So let's get into the video. Here's how she packages her items. The subscriptions, one is classic, the other one is luxury, and here's a look at the next month's theme. I got the luxury. Here is a little notepad that I pulled out. It says shopping list on it. I like all the little details in the boxes. This is really cute. The next item is a journal. It says next year plans. I love the little illustration on the front of it, and it's just lined on the inside, so this is really cute. The next item is a keychain hand sanitizer holder. Here is the washi. So pretty. Here are some of the designs on the washi. There I have so many more pictures on them, but I just think this is so cute. Here is the gel pen, and this is so pretty. I love all the colors. Next up are the stickers. This is so cute. It's a Christmas countdown. I love all the little details on it, so I can't wait to use these. Here are the stickers. They are so pretty. I love all the little detail. I love the whole Chanel. I love this box. I can't wait to use them. Here are the last two sets of sheets of stickers, and they have notes. They have the days. It's really pretty, all the little details. It's gonna make a layout look so pretty. Next up, I believe, is the dashboard, so let me open it. So this is super cute. These are 2 cards and they come with envelopes. So here is the beautiful dashboard. Here is the inserts for the month. I think this picture is so pretty. So these inserts are weekly, and she gives you enough for the whole month. The pictures in the background are so pretty, and I can't wait to use it. Here is everything I received for my first month. I really do like this. It's beautiful. I got the luxury one. I'm going to continue to get this and see how I like it long term. She did a beautiful job on this box. Let me know if you guys have heard of this subscription. I love reading your comments. Like, subscribe, comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.